Hey, my friend William James here, just going for a walk, and I thought I'd make a quick video about really the top 3 things that you need to be doing to be getting massive engagement on your posts on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, again, my name is William James. I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, consultants, online entrepreneurs. I help people start and grow home-based businesses, and I have a speciality in Facebook marketing organically and Facebook engagement. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So anyway, as I was saying, today's video, I really want to talk about the top 3 things that you have to be doing to get super high engagement on your posts. All of my posts get upwards of 100 likes, some as high as 600 likes, and that's cool and everything. Obviously I'm not in this for the likes, right? This isn't just some kind of like vanity fest where I'm like stroking my ego about how many people like my posts. That's not the point. The point is to get a lot of likes, because that's showing that your content is actually reaching a lot of people on Facebook. And if you're doing organic Facebook marketing, it's crucially important that your content is actually being seen by the people on your friends list, and the people who are on your friends list are actually people who are interested in seeing your content. So the first thing you have to do to get tons of engagement, of course, is to build an audience, right? You got to have a lot of friends, and they have to be targeted friends, and they have to be people who are actually interested in what you have to say. So this can be a kind of slow, time-consuming process to build up those friends lists, those friends, but you want to be doing that every single day, going into groups, going to pages where the people that are exactly your target market are hanging out, and adding them as friends. Now in my group, I talk about a automation tool that you can use to help automate this process. If you're not in the group, there'll be a link below this video where you can check that out. It's in one of the units in there. I show you this tool. But regardless of whether you use that or not, the point here is you got to be adding friends. They got to be super targeted. So you got to be really clear about who your target audience is, and be proactive about adding those people as friends. You need to have 3, 4, 5,000 friends to be able to get really good engagement. Okay, so that's the first thing. So you got to have the right audience. The second thing is that people don't understand this, is that Facebook is a platform where you get what you give. So with engagement, you have to be spending at least an hour a day, loving and commenting on your friends' posts. And you should do it especially leading up to when you're going to make a post yourself. So for me, usually if I'm going to make a post, I post in the morning, and I'm going to spend an hour just loving and commenting like mad on my friends' posts, and then I'm going to drop my post. And pretty much that's what I do to ensure that I get over 100 likes on every post, and sometimes 3, 4, 5, 600 likes on my posts. And basically what that's doing, guys, is just letting Facebook know, hey, these people, I have a relationship with them, show my content to these people first, and then Facebook is going to show your post to the people who you have engaged with, and then from there, if they like it, Facebook is going to keep showing it to the rest of your friends list. So that's how your posts kind of go viral. And I think a lot of people don't understand that. They don't do it. They don't have the discipline to go out and comment for an hour before they drop their post. They just go out there and post, right? Which brings me to the third and final point here, guys, which is you need to be posting the right content, right? You need to be posting content that your audience is going to like. Yeah, that's going to be relevant to them. So every day on Facebook, I go out and I see so many posts that are just random, pointless stuff that people are posting, and it has nothing to do with me and my interests, right? It's just like lame things that they're posting about. So stop doing that, right? You got to be posting with intention. And there's a particular formula that you can follow when you're posting called the RVL formula, which is results, value, lifestyle. Results, value, lifestyle, RVL, right? And I like to combine these, but basically the idea is you want to be giving value in your posts. So the V for value, I think, is the most important piece. You want to be teaching people something. You want to be enlightening people. You want to be giving value that's relevant to your niche, that the people who are your friends will be interested in, right? Simple. So value, results. If you're making money, or people on your team are making money, or whatever, you want to be sharing your results. Results, value, and lifestyle. Lifestyle, really all lifestyle means is share pictures of yourself and what you're doing, right? Just to show that you're a real person. I think sometimes people get stuck on this and they think they have to be like showing that they're super rich and showing pictures of themselves on the beach and posing in front of Lamborghinis and stuff. Like they have to have some really exciting lifestyle, and they don't. It just means post pictures of yourself, okay? Because people want to see that you're real. When I come to somebody's Facebook wall and there's like nothing but a bunch of, quotes or something, or pictures of kittens or whatever, like I just don't know who that person is. I don't have any sense of them. So you got to post pictures of yourself. So that's it, guys. Stick to that formula: results, value, lifestyle. Engage for at least an hour before you post, right? And you gotta be adding friends every day so that you've actually got an audience. That's it. Those are the 3 things. And once you're doing those things on a regular basis, every day, your engagement is just going to grow and grow and grow and grow. And this is how you build a super engaged audience that really loves what you're doing. They see your posts every day, and if you're posting really good, valuable content, they're going to really start watching you and taking an interest in you, and wanting to hear about what you do. Okay, so that's pretty much in a nutshell how you do Facebook marketing. And then it's just kind of a matter of like connecting with people and talking to them and seeing if you can help them, right? So I hope that was helpful, guys. Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, definitely hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Please consider subscribing if you're interested in more videos about affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, growing home-based businesses from home using Facebook, and other strategies as well. Definitely consider subscribing. And if you're not in my group already and you want more awesome tips about Facebook, closing sales on Facebook, all that good stuff, there'll be a link to my group in the description below. You can go check that out. And if you're in the group already but you haven't watched all the units, go watch all the units. There's a lot of great info in there. So all right, guys, hope you're doing well today. That's it from me. We'll talk soon. Bye.